Are you looking to start a new business? If so, worry no more, because we're going to give you some incredible ideas that will either help you become a millionaire or a billionaire, or simply help you to create an additional source of income. However, before you pursue any of the ideas we discuss in this video, make sure you're truly passionate about them. Now that we've got your attention, let's get started. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the 10. Candle manufacturer would be a fantastic choice for the smart start, because it is easier and smaller than it seems, requires little room, and can be sold online. 9. Innumerable goods can be made from milk, ranging from ghee to butter and cream. Depending on the capital and space available, you can continue to expand the range of products. However, bear in mind to obtain the necessary licenses and maintain cleanliness. 8. Incense sticks, constrained resources, and expanding opportunities nowadays. A lot of incense sticks are exported around the world as well, expanding your market. 7. Flyer manufacturing. Well, if you have very little capital, you can start with the basic level of flat production, which would also include grinding wheat and other grains, because people are becoming more and more health conscious. You can also keep a variety of greens to draw in potential clients. 6. Those who make cookies appreciate homemade goods. A small skilled enterprise, like baking biscuits, can be started with little money up front, and with only the most basic infrastructure. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out the other incredible videos on this channel. We'll see you in the next one.